Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6 Pro and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset and tap on Reset Phone. So at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings, so let's simply tap on it. Here we have to confirm everything. Your device is informing you that it will reset the network, so just tap on Reset and wait patiently until the operation will be done. As you can see here, we've got the confirmation. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.